NREGA Analysis using Power BI. Table of contents. So we have overview of the project, objectives, data set information, dashboard, and conclusion. So overview of the NREGA project. So the NREGA project drives into the analysis of data related to the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, a transformative government scheme aimed at providing rural households with guaranteed wage employment opportunities. The data set used for this analysis encompasses a wide range of parameters, including the number of job cards issued, the workforce engaged, budget allocation, work completion, statistics, and much more. Through the application of data analytics, we aim to gain valuable insight into the implementation and impact of NREGA across different states and districts. So, objective of the project. So then, these are the questions we have to answer using Power BI. So the first one is, how effective is NREGA in providing employment opportunities to the household? Are there any regional disparities in the implementation of an outcome of the scheme? What is the utilization of the allocated budget? And how does it correlate with employment generation? What are the key factors contributing to the completion of NREGA works, and how are they? And are there any roadblocks to its success? Can data-driven insights guide policy maker and administration in optimizing the scheme impacts? So the data set information. The data set used for this analysis is sourced from official government record and contain information related to NREGA implementation across various states and districts in India. It comprises 28 columns, encompassing data on job cards, work detail, budget allocation, work completion statistics, expenditure, and more. The data set offer a comprehensive view of the progress and challenge faced by NREGA program. So we have the dashboard. So at this side, this is we have the sum of total number of job cards issued, then sum of which is 156 million. Then we have sum of total number of workers. So we have 269 million. Then sum of total number of expenditure in lakhs. So we have 5.49 million. So for the first objective, first business question, so employment opportunities across states. So the first one, the state with the highest employment opportunity is Uttar Pradesh, followed by with 2.5 thousand employment opportunities, followed by this and that. So we have disparity in NREGA implementation. So we have the visualization here using some total number of job card issued, then we have state name. So we have budget utilization. So budget utilization, we have sum of total number of workers and sum of approved labor budget. So we can see that budget utilization and sum of total number of workers have a positive correlation. That is, they have a positive relationship. Now we have, so this is the state name. When you click on state name, you can get individual data for each state. When you click on the state's name, that is, when you click on the first one, you get the data and you get the amount allocated to them. So we have work completion rates. At this side, we have work completion rates. So we have some of ongoing work, some of number of ongoing works, and some of number of completed work. So we have, and it is illustrated with this bar chart. So we have conclusion. So the dashboard provides data-driven insight for the various objectives. In dashboard, there are visualization answering the various business questions using the appropriate variables, as I have said. So, and yes, data-driven insight can guide the policymaker. From the dashboard, they can easily see which state has the lowest employment rate, disparity in the implementation, and work completion rates. Thank you for watching.